In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the category page in WordPress with Elementor. If you're looking to customize your website's categories, you're in the right place, and it won't take more than a few minutes to get through this process. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress site. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate the Posts option on the left-hand menu. This is your hub for all your blog entries. Next, click on Categories. This section is where you can see all the existing categories and even create new ones. Don't have a category you want? Not a problem. You can add a new category by scrolling to the Add New Category section on this page. Simply enter the name of your desired category and click Add New Category. This will ensure your posts are well organized, helping visitors navigate your site more efficiently. Once you've set up your categories, revisit the Posts section. This time, we're going to assign categories to your individual blog posts, which will make them easier to find on your site. Choose the post you want to categorize, and then select the category or categories that fit best by checking the boxes next to them. Now, let's tackle the Elementor part of this tutorial. Navigate to the Plugins section of your dashboard. You'll want to search for Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. This plugin is essential as it provides additional features and widgets that enhance your Elementor experience. Once you've located it, click to install and activate it on your WordPress site. With the add-on ready, go back to Posts. Click All Posts to find the blog post you want to edit. Select it and then click Edit with Elementor. This will open up a powerful editing interface that lets you manipulate the layout and design of your page. Inside Elementor, locate the Royal Add-ons elements. These elements provide extra flexibility for your design. Drag and drop a grid element from these onto your page. This grid layout is ideal for organizing and displaying categories effectively and stylishly. After arranging your elements and ensuring everything looks great, remember to click Publish to save your changes. Publishing makes your updated design live on your site, visible to your audience. There you have it, a swift and comprehensive guide to edit a category page using WordPress and Elementor. By following these straightforward steps, your site's categories will not only be organized but also visually appealing, helping to enhance the user experience on your blog.